We have a question from Miss Wu. Would you like to come down to the front to ask the question?
Good morning, everyone. A recent study published in Nature Food showed that plant-based diets result in 75% less greenhouse emissions, water pollution, and land use than diets containing more than 100 grams of meat a day. Plant-based diets were also shown to cut the destruction of wildlife by 66% and water use by 54%. Please can Carmarthen Council reach out to Edinburgh Council to learn about their experiences of endorsing the plant-based treaty and do an impact assessment like they did?
Diolch yn fawr. I'd like to ask Councillor Aled Van Owen to respond, please.
Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi, and diolch am fy
Thank you
for attending today. Carmarthenshire County Council acknowledges the findings from the study published in Nature Food and its alignment with the need for sustainable food system. As part of our newly developing sustainable food strategy, we are bringing together stakeholders from across the sectors to create an ambitious and inspiring plan for this county. Through our local food strategy, we have already begun analysing the impact of local food systems, from production to provision. Our initial assessments are focused on the public procurement in schools, leisure facilities and care homes. These analyses aim to identify the current environmental and economic impact and pinpoint opportunities for meaningful change. Our approach is framed by our Nature and Climate Emergency Declarations and guided by the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. This ensures that any changes benefit our local economy, environment and community well-being. One key initiative is redesigning our primary school menu to prioritise sustainably sourced meat and vegetables from Welsh and UK farms, including from our own farm, county farm at Bremenda Isaf. Bremenda Isaf is pioneering a sustainable in-house regenerative food production and absorbs carbon, enhances biodiversity and supports nature recovery. We have reviewed best practice models, including those from Scotland, such as Edinburgh's endorsement of the plant-based treaty. While we welcome collaboration and integrated impact assessment like Edinburgh's, our rural and agricultural landscape requires a more nuanced and sophisticated approach. Rural counties like Carmarthenshire must balance sustainability with unique challenges and opportunities of supporting local farming communities. Approximately 85% of greenhouse gas emissions from animal-based products stem from production methods and associated inputs, which vary widely. Carmarthenshire is uniquely positioned to support sustainable, local produced animal-based foods while also reducing reliance on imports. The plant-based treaty, while principled, lacks the flexibility needed to support diverse rural economies like ours. Given these considerations, we welcome an opportunity to collaborate with all councils to learn from their experiences and to share ours, while advocating for an integrated and localised impact assessment tailored to Carmarthenshire's distinct context.
Diolch yn fawr, Aled. Miss Wu, you may ask one supplementary question, which must arise directly out of the original question or the reply, and the question must not be more than 30 seconds.
Thank you for your reply. I believe the Carmarthen Council has the ability to do more to help reduce the cooling of the planet by endorsing the plant-based treaty and practice in colleges, schools and hospitals. I would like to see this action implemented as soon as possible. Thank you.
Diolch yn fawr. Cyngor Aled Van Owen, chi eisiau mater?
Councillor Vaughan Owen, do you want to respond?
Ms Wu's passion and knowledge around the urgency to tackle climate emergency is clear, and I'm happy to meet and discuss how we can involve the wider community in shaping our county-wide approach to tackling climate and nature breakdown.
Diolch yn fawr, Ms Wu. You may stay or go as you wish now. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.